to 12.
Okay.
Actually, I installed Security Onion, but Kibana is not there, and I tried to install it again and again. I upgraded the Linux, but Kibana is not working. So I don't know what to do until now. I asked some of
Which
my colleagues; they have same problems.
okay, which where did you download yours from?
From the link you sent in the
You
PDF,
really shouldn't have issue with that.
yes, yeah, I have, and even three or four from my colleagues, which I know they have this class, they attend this class, they have the same problem, and some of the students also they send the same issue in the WhatsApp.
Okay, so but is it possible now, as we are discussing this, those of you who have those issues in those labs, can you just post it to the group chat? And please, the link you used to download your Security Onion, you also send it across.
Okay,
I know there are different versions of this online, so we just have to stick to one. So please just send me what you have, and I'll reconcile that, and let's get one Security Onion that can serve that whole purpose for us.
Okay, I will now send message on WhatsApp, and I'll send the link from which I download the Security Onion.
Yeah, perfect. Just do that.
Okay.
So I think that's the issue we have with the labs.
One more thing, if you allow me.
Yeah, go ahead. It's recorded, so
Okay, is it recorded? So the discussion before I just joined, the discussion before is all recorded, right?
I'm just doing that now. Maybe I could just recap what we discussed. I said tomorrow is 12th, and there is going to be an online exam.
So the final exam.
The final exam, exactly, the final exam. So if you are ready, then you can join in the same time, 4:30 GMT +1 with a link, the WebEx link on the platform, and then you write the exam. But also remember, you have to put on your camera so that we have to view you and record this section. And then I'll make that available to Cisco to be sure that you actually wrote the exam and it was proctored. That is one. And if you're not able to make it tomorrow on the 12th, you also have the opportunity to write this on the 17th of this month, same time. I'm giving this two opportunities, especially for those in South Africa who are having this power shading issues. So the rest of us can take advantage of that. And I said you should try as much as possible as instructors to score 75% and above so that you can have a discount voucher. The discount voucher will enable you to write industrial certification exam with person view. And then you could get about 60% discount from the about $300 thereabout. So you can now pay the differential. So I'm advising that everybody should try as much as possible to score 75% and above. So you need to do a lot of practicing and practice. And I said the practice final is already activated. The feedback is activated. So you can take this too. Make sure you do the feedback before tomorrow. Please, you have to do the feedback or else you might not be able to write the finals. And they are all activated.
Okay. Actually, this video is it recorded or not? So I can return to it.
Yeah, it's recorded.
So when you are going to upload it, please.
Yeah, sure. After this section, I'm going to upload it.
Inshallah. Okay. I'll just post the problem, the issue I face on WhatsApp, and I hope I get the right inshallah. Okay.
Yeah, please. As many of you that are having those challenges with the version you have, based on the link I sent you, just send me the link expo. Let me see. So that we can resolve all these issues before maybe latest, like tomorrow, I'll be able to give you feedback on this.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So, like I said, it's recorded, so I can upload the recording so that we can all play it and say. But please don't miss the exam. If you miss it on 12, you miss it on 17, that's all for you. So try as much as possible to keep to these 2 dates so that you don't miss the exam. Is that clear? And 19th is going to be the lab exam. You're all expected to write the lab exam. So meaning that you have to practice all the labs as it were. And just like Mosle just requested, if you have issues with your Security Onion, please state it and send me the link that you use to download yours. And so I can reconcile it with all that I have to be sure. And then we can adopt one. I had same issue when I was in Ghana. So we have to check again and be sure. So please try as much as possible. For some folks, it works for them. For other folks, it does not. So if you're in that category having such issues, please kindly just indicate on the WhatsApp, and then I'll collate all that together. Find a way. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow. Those of you that are writing tomorrow, and please, those of you who are still doing my labs, try as much as possible to submit all these labs latest 17th of this month. You can put them together, zip them, and then send to the email. I have a spreadsheet that I use to populate your scores. So please just do your part so that everything will go on well. And how do we find the program? Is it challenging? Is it interesting? Is there anything wrong with it or something? I know some of us are actually new to this. We haven't done CCNA before. We haven't done IT Essentials before. We haven't done any of this stuff. But I believe if you keep reading and keep practicing, you'll be fine.
Hello, Doctor.
Yes, I can hear you.
This is my feedback. Even for those of us who have done CCNA and beyond, Doctor, it was lots of pressure from chapter 18. This is my take from chapter 20. The chapters were actually very long. And from my point of view, the PowerPoint give an overview, but if I depend only on the PowerPoint, I cannot take the module exam and pass it because it does not contain fine details that I find when I read the course content from the portal.
Yeah, okay, so, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. I think the rest of us, you can hear what he said. The PowerPoint is actually PowerPoint. The main material is there online, so you shouldn't rely on the PowerPoint 100%. You should go back to the platform, read the material. Yeah, go back to the course material, read it word for word, line by line. So that you can understand everything. So thank you for that contribution. I think that should be adopted and be taken by all. We are grooming you as an instructor, so it's still your responsibility to go back and read the entire course module. So I advise you do that. And like we're discussing, if you think you're not comfortable writing it tomorrow, you still have the choice to make the write on the 17th. No pressure. Is that clear, please?
It's clear, Doctor. It's clear. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much. So I'll see you, those of you that are writing tomorrow, you join us.
Okay, let us get to work.
Yeah, get to work. Yeah, get to work. Just have barely 24 hours to do this. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so see you guys tomorrow.